Hey, my name's James Lucas and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video, I want to talk about, do you need a property mentor to get results in property? So make sure you stick around to the end. I'm going to get everything covered in here and that will really help you make that decision. Now, this channel is all about my investment journey. I'm currently building my own portfolio and one for my two kids. I've got Georgia, who's 22, and Amelie, who's just 2. We've bought a couple of properties for them in 2022, and I want to invite you along on that journey with us so you can see all the behind the scenes, the good, the bad, and the ugly of property investing. So take that finger of power, smash that subscribe button, and hit the bell notification so you know everything that we're doing. So, mentors, are they an important part of your success? Well, I think that they are. I've had mentors in business now for a long time, at least 10 years. Now, I've been in business for 23 years. I've had my own marketing agency, an iPod accessory business, and I've been a property investor for pretty much the same amount of time. And along the way, I've discovered that we're just lazy, a lot of us. And what we need is someone to hold us accountable. And when I started out in property, back in 1999, I had the belief that you needed to work hard, save for a deposit, and that is how you got your property. And when you did that, you needed to do exactly the same before you can get the next one. Now, what a mentor will know is that that's not quite true. And there are various different strategies we talk about on this channel that you can do to actually speed up that time between each property investment. I had no idea about that initially. And so I've been trained by a lot of the property educators in the UK. And I found that having a mentor, having someone that's done that stuff already is really going to help you speed up the process. You see, when you're in property, you make a lot of mistakes. And along the way, you will learn stuff. But if you can get someone that can stop you making that mistake, it's going to save you a ton of money. It's going to save you a ton of time and a lot of frustration and stress that you get along the way. And so that's the benefit of having some sort of mentor, whether it's in property, business, whether it's in your health and fitness, whatever it is that you do, it really does give you a shortcut. Think about this. Messi, one of the best football players in the world, Ronaldo as well, they have like tens of mentors for themselves to make sure that they're more successful. They have the manager and the coach, obviously. They probably have a conditioning coach. They have someone that improves their skills. They have someone that will help them with the media and stuff like that, that will coach them on how to do that. Obviously, they'll have someone that does their nutrition and helps them manage their weight. They know all this stuff already, but it's the accountability, and the best, most successful people in the world have that. Elon Musk would have mentors, and they'll often partner with other people. A lot of people were mentored in those sorts of industries by someone like Steve Jobs, that took people like Mark Zuckerberg and Elon under his wing, and that really helped propel them to that next level. So if you think you can do this alone, you're right, you can. But what the mentor will give you is shortcuts, and that's what we want. We're all lazy. We all have times where we nearly give up. I've seen this for years when I've been working in business. Super successful business owners that absolutely crush it, and other businesses that have a better business, but they don't get the results because they give up. They don't have the belief in themselves. So I think having a mentor is probably one of the most important things that you can do in any area of your life that you need the support. Someone that believes in you, someone that can encourage you, someone that can hold you accountable, and someone that can correct you when you make mistakes. What do you think about this? I know there's a lot of bad publicity about certain mentors, particularly in the property arena for sure. But what do you think? Do you think that if you had someone to guide you, to push you forward, to hold you accountable, would you get better results, do you believe? Because maybe you've been watching YouTube, maybe you've been watching my YouTube channel for months and months and months, and actually you haven't picked up the phone yet to speak to an agent. You haven't viewed any properties yet. I bet if you had a mentor, you'd already have done that stuff. So do let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. It's a shorter video today, but I think it's an important message to get out there. We're going to run some live training very soon. So in the description is going to be a link where you can register for that. Get on board. and let's talk to each other, get to know each other that little bit better. I'd love to help you on your property journey. Thanks for watching.